Right guys, it's the night time, the children are in bed and I am going to get a bath. Well, it's really nice and quiet and they can't do any pranks on me. I'm just going to go check that they're in bed, asleep. I've put my bath on. That's my bath all full. I'm just going to check on the children. Oh, look at them. They're asleep. Right, we've got to be really quiet. I'm going to get in the bath now. And we don't want to wake them up. Okay, let's go. But it's time to get in the bath so I can get ready for work tomorrow. And you know what? They haven't even done any pranks on me today. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lay back. I'm going to have a nice relax.
Leah, wait. Yeah. Come on, let's go and get the sugar and flour. Yeah. You bought some from the shop today. Let's go and get the flour and then ketchup. Let's go. Come on, Leah. Okay. Here's flour. 50p. We're going to get Daddy with beers. Yeah, we are. Let's go over his head. Haha! Come on, Leo, let's go upstairs and pour on his head. Be really quiet so he doesn't find out. You've got to whisper. Okay. The ketchup. Okay, I'm opening mine. I'm going to pour it all over my daddy's head. Leo, let's put the lid back on. Mine's done. Now let's open the flour. Yeah, this is so exciting. Yeah, look guys, it's flour. Look guys, it's flour. My baby. Come on, Leo, let's go. We'll get Daddy and prank him. Okay, let's go.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lay back. I'm going to have a nice relax.
Good.
Ah.
Prank on Daddy. Thanks for watching, guys.
Don't forget to watch our next video. Angel's Pranks. Bye.